Okay, how to connect your Android phone that is Lightning and USB. So I have this charger right here, and that happens to be USB-C, so I don't have the original charger. So bought these adapters by Anker, and we're going to connect it. See, we can charge the phone. Okay, so we're going to connect it to the charger. You can see with this little light, that means it's connected, it's ready to go. And we're going to take this part of the original cable that the phone came with, we're going to connect it there, and then we're going to connect the lightning port part to the phone, and let's see if it charges the phone. All right, so there we go, it's charging the phone, and that works exactly how I want it to be. You can use this for other things as well, but for the purpose of this video is just to show you that it works to charge your old Android phone.